Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Filecoin. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08%. So at first you have to do registration, therefore you just click the link in the video description after you come to the right registration page where the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you created your account, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some fiat money, therefore you just click here on verify. And if you want to increase your limit, you can also do address verification. After identity verification, you are able to deposit fiat money. Therefore, you just click here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, but you can also click here on crypto and deposit, for example, Bitcoin. After you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer and then on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the wire transfer, so just use them and do the wire transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you can click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you get an overview of all your assets and you can also check your available fiat balance. If the money has arrived, we can start now buying Filecoin, but to buy Filecoin we first need to buy Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy Filecoin. So just search for Bitcoin and click here on trade. There you just choose your local currency. In my case it would be Bitcoin Euro. And after you come to the trading view where you can just buy Bitcoin. Therefore you just scroll down and click here on market order. And now you just type in this field how much money you want to invest in Bitcoin. But you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available euro balance or of your local currency you want to use to buy Bitcoin. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Bitcoin. After you go back into your spot wallet, and now we can use Bitcoin to buy Filecoin. Therefore we just search for it and click here on trade. This time we click here on File Bitcoin, and now we can use Bitcoin to buy Filecoin. Therefore we just scroll down, click here on market order, and there you can type in how much money you want to invest in Filecoin, but you can also use this adjustable bar again to define how much of your Bitcoin you want to invest in Filecoin. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Filecoin and that's it. If you want to sell your Filecoin, you can go to the right side and define how much you want to sell, and then you click here on sell Filecoin. That's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.